Christina here today with NAPPA, and today I am reviewing a really special product. This is the BelleMa Euphoria Pro with IDC, and that stands for Independent Dual Control. That is one of the main benefits about this product, is that you can actually pump using both pumps at one time. So on the table here you can see that we have the product laid out. Essentially this would be the completed design of the breast pump put together. One of the main features that we really enjoyed and that our testers really enjoyed about it is that there are two pieces to the actual pump. There's a silicone addition here which makes for the pumping to be incredibly comfortable, and the pumping is meant to mimic the motion of an infant breastfeeding. So the testers really thought that that was a great feature that it offered, as well as the main feature for the independent dual control, aside from being able to pump with both breasts at once, is that it is a closed system. So it is a safe system and there is no milk entering the product at any point of the product that is hard to clean or you're unable to clean. So that's really great about this product. It comes with a couple of extra pieces attached to it, which is really nice. And as well as the bottle itself, if you were to remove the top, allows for you to be able to interchange with different bottle tops if you decide to. And the stand right here is really great. Our testers also commented on the fact that she was able to put the bottle down once she was done breastfeeding. So this right here is the display function that allows you to control each breast pumping individually. So you can actually increase the suction of each side depending on your milk flow or your comfortability levels, and as well as you can actually turn one side off if you're done and turn one side back on to the other side if you so choose. And the battery on this lasts about 2 to 3 hours. It's a lithium battery, and the noise level is incredibly low. One of the things that our testers commented on is that, you know, whenever you're a mom on the go and you're wanting to breastfeed, if you're in the office, you want to try and be discreet about it. So this system is incredibly quiet compared to a bunch of other models that are out there on the market, and that really allows you to pump in peace and be able to move on with your day and get the most amount of milk product out while you're breastfeeding. And then it is incredibly portable, as we've mentioned. So this is the carrying bag. You can see right here that everything that you'd need is able to fit inside this small compact bag. It does come with a few extra pieces. These would be the air pumps that you would attach to the back of the breast pump. They would attach into the back here, as well as they would then attach into the side of the pump right here. And they're marked left and right, so it's very clear which side goes where. In order to put the breast pump together, it came right out of the box pretty much put together, which I really liked. You essentially would just screw on the top right there to secure it, and then you would apply the pump valves, as I mentioned earlier. And the way you would take it off is simply by unscrewing it. These pieces would come off as well if you were wanting to be able to clean anything. That's really nice. And these are the attachments that you can put on the top if you wanted to attach your own bottle. I liked that the adapter valve was able to be applied there, as well as this is the top if you're wanting to close it off. Again, this was the BelleMa Euphoria Pro with independent dual control, and I am Christina with NAPPA.